connecting the practitioner cable to the practitioner amplifier.
Hello everybody, Craig Goldberg, Holistic Health Science, and congratulations on the purchase of your VASL Practitioner Standard. Thank you from all of us here. When you get your VASL Practitioner Standard home, there's a separate video that shows you how to unpack it and how to get set up. There's one part that's a little bit technical, and I wanted to show that to you a little bit closer up. This is the standard amplifier. The power cable is elsewhere, but on the back of the amplifier, when you unpack it, it will look like this. The cable that you're going to receive is going to be black, it's going to be much longer, and it's going to have different clips. It's going to have an XLR cable with a silver clip on the other side of it. However, for all intents and purposes here, this will be very similar for you. You're going to have exposed copper cabling, very much like speaker wire in a stereo system. You're going to need to twist these so that they are unified and that they are all together in one small connection, just like that. You're going to do that both for the red and the black. On your cable, it might be black and white. If that's the case, you're going to unplug this little piece here on the back, and this is designed to come out. You're going to pull that piece out, and it's going to come with a little screwdriver. I'm using my Swiss Army knife, and basically there are two screws here that you're going to screw and clamp down on these two receivers. So basically you're going to take these two cables that you've coiled and you're going to connect them inside these two holes. And you want to make sure that this is tightly spun, and you want to align them so that they're somewhat next to each other, and then you want to put them in. And once you get them in and they're good and tight, you want to hold the cable with these two fingers, and you want to hold the black piece with your forefinger and your thumb, and now you've got a nice solid base to simply twist down and clamp down on those cables. Okay? And once you twist down on these cables, you only have to do this once, by the way, only one time. Now once these cables are set in there, you may want to take some electrical tape and tape around this, just so that you don't have exposed copper wiring. You don't want these to touch one another. So you want to make sure that those are separate. You may need to strip the wire and pull it back slightly. I can help you with any of this. Just give me a call and we can help you here through Holistic Health Science. But once you do that and you tighten these down, this is now set and this is on, and you can now plug that into the amp, and the amp is ready to go. You connect this side into your VASL Practitioner. One thing to note, when you want to move and set up and break down the practitioner, that's no problem. Don't tug on the wire. Make sure you tug on the little black piece. Now this stays on your cable, and then you can pack the amp separately. So this black piece is going to be the piece that goes on and off. We're pretty excited about this new amplifier. There is one extra step in the connectivity. If you have any questions or if you need any additional support at holistichealthscience.com, or you can call us at the main office at the bottom of our website. Once again, Craig Goldberg, Holistic Health Science. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.